A massive chunk of the mountain collapses onto the road in Nepal, in Bandipur, blocking everything in seconds. But a motorcyclist takes a huge risk, speeding forward instead of stopping. He barely makes it through. 1 second later, and he would have been buried under tons of rock.
Oh, man! Man!
A massive black mud flow rushes down the mountain, unstoppable and devastating. In Chamosen, Switzerland, heavy rains trigger a powerful debris flood, sweeping over bridges, roads, and homes. Cars are engulfed, and entire streets disappear under thick layers of mud. Witnesses capture the shocking scene as nature unleashes its force. Here is another angle of the scene. Very impressive. This is no ordinary mountain stream. The dark water shows it's a fast-moving flow of mud and rocks. In the Andes, a group of tourists takes a dangerous shortcut, not realizing what's coming. Luckily, they react just in time and avoid being caught in the rushing debris. When floods hit, don't wait. Get to higher ground fast. A volcano in southern Chile has erupted, covering the sky with thick smoke and ash. Flights are canceled, and the air is dangerous to breathe. People fear the water might be contaminated. And with this much smoke, it looks like the eruption is far from over. Even from here, this looks terrifying. Imagine being on those boats. Time to get out, and fast.
We better get out of here. Uh-oh, hang on, guys. He's got to put it
in. In Oman, heavy floods have turned roads into rivers, with water rising up to the bridge. Drivers panic as they realize the danger, rushing to turn back. But with chaos building, every second matters.
انا مصور فيديو.
Stopping to film a tornado might seem like a good idea until it gets too close. The wind picks up, the sky darkens, and danger is just seconds away. Heavy rains in India have triggered floods and landslides. In seconds, an entire house is swept away by the raging waters, showing just how powerful nature can be. In Myanmar, a mining dam collapses, releasing a massive wave of water and waste. Within moments, entire villages are flooded, forcing over 60,000 people to flee. Roads disappear underwater, and the damage is devastating. This is yet another disaster in a region with a history of deadly mining landslides. In Turin, Italy, powerful currents sweep away two boats, pushing them straight into a low bridge. Helpless against the raging water, they crash with force, showing the unstoppable power of nature. In Minnesota, rising floodwaters eroded the riverbank, leaving a house hanging on the edge. After hours of instability, it finally collapsed into the rushing Blue Earth River.
Oh my.
In China, a powerful tidal surge races down the road, forcing drivers to speed ahead to escape. With water closing in fast, every second counts. In Genoa, Italy, one of the worst storms in years has caused massive flash floods, turning streets into raging rivers. A month's worth of rain fell in just hours, sweeping away cars and damaging buildings. Rescue teams worked tirelessly to save those trapped as the city struggled against the rising waters.
Oddio, 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 un disastro! Le macchine! Il fiume, vedi? Gente che cade. Il pullman da solo viene trascinato dall'acqua.
Guarda qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
Relentless rain in India has triggered massive landslides, cutting off roads and causing widespread destruction. Flooded streets, damaged buildings, and blocked railways have left the region struggling to cope with nature's fury. Just before the Cannes Festival, powerful storms hit the city, turning streets into rivers. Flash floods swept away cars as heavy rain caused chaos. The iconic city faced an unexpected battle against nature's force. At Santa Cruz Harbor, a powerful tsunami surge crashes in, sending waves rushing through the docks. Boats are tossed around, some breaking apart, others sinking under the force of the water. The damage is devastating, and the harbor is left in chaos.
That's gonna come whacking right back up here if it gets right.